Hello everyone! In this video, I am going to go over how to fix if your Instagram filters are not showing. So let's get started right away. First of all, please remember that all these filters are highly dependent on where you are, like what region you are in. To be able to load these effects and filters, you'll need some Wi-Fi or internet access. If you have a weak internet connection, you can try connecting to a Wi-Fi network, or you can simply pull down from the top and select airplane mode. Then quickly turn it off to refresh your internet. Then it might take a couple of seconds for your filters and effects to load in. If that's still not working, I suggest going out of here and into your settings. Scrolling down to apps. Tapping on the top search bar and searching for Instagram, selecting it and then for stopping the app. Then go into permissions and simply allow just about all of these permissions. And then I can just go back in there and it should load up everything. And you should be able to have all these filters. If it still doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall Instagram, then log in and check it out. So that's all. We hope this was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below,